Hello everyone, this is my review on the Mako V2, the one with tank pins. I am sorry I'm late on this. I doubt anyone was really waiting for it, luckily. And so, I'm sorry I got late. I got lazy and didn't really do it because I was lazy and just didn't find the right time to do it. And so yeah, I'm making this video because I said I would. I don't really think anyone's looking for it because they just dropped Mako V3s, which I just bought this like 2 weeks before, or like, yeah, around 2 weeks before V3s dropped, which is nice. It kind of sucks, but whatever. The new V3s have hidden Zen pins. So these are tang pins. You'll see Zen pins, they're more common. They're right in the handle. Most people prefer them. I don't really have a preference. I don't care. I've had both tang pin now and dang it, and Zen pins. So yeah. I have been learning choker fan, as you can see. I learned dang it. I had wanted to learn choker fan for a very long time, and I finally figured it out kind of by myself. I was just messing around with this Mako, actually, and I just one day did it, I guess. So yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. But here's some issues with it. This is slippery. The handles are slippery, in my opinion. Not everyone thinks they're slippery, but honestly, I do. They're very slippery, honestly. And the Mako V2, at least, I haven't had a V3, and I don't think very many people have. They don't keep tolerances, as you can see. The tap is terrible, and the blade play, or handle play, it's not the worst. Sorry, my nails are dirty. I've been doing stuff with my hands outside and stuff, so yeah, whatever. So it doesn't keep tolerances very well. The balance is very good, though. I would recommend anyone the Mako still. They aren't as rare as the Glider Sahara to come across because these are dropped, or these are made frequently. There's like hundreds out there, I would assume, at least, because I see a lot of people have them. Dang it. I don't have experience with the V1 Mako or the V3, so I cannot have any opinion on this versus any of them. But this versus the Sahara. I sold my Sahara and then bought this because the Sahara had Zen pin issues, and I didn't want to bother with that. Like, the Zen pins would bend easily, and they broke in like a month of having it. And so, or didn't break, but yeah, they had some handle slap, and I didn't like that, so I sold it. And then I got this. This is pretty good. Sorry, I'm getting eaten by gnats. This is good. Sahara had way better tolerances, but probably because it was channel handles. And just, yeah, I think it was because it was channel handles. Other complaints, this isn't really based on Squid Industries, or just the Mako, but it's kind of the Squid Industries thing, their own hardware. The hardware like wears off down here. The black coating turns like silver because it's cheap, I'm assuming. Whatever they coat it with is cheap, and it sucks not having black hardware for very long, because I never unscrewed this. I never even put a screw to it, and before I put the tape over it just today, it was already silver. So I don't get why it wears off so fast, but whatever. Forgot to mention, these are sandwich construction, washer pivot system, tang pin, bottle opener, non-crown spine if it wants to focus. If it wants to focus. There, see, non-crown spine. Does have a fin right here that will bite you if you flip wrong, so it kind of corrects your flipping, I guess, which is kind of nice. I said in my very first video, I don't get how you're gonna get hit with it. I was completely wrong. I've been smacked by it, like in my hands, like down here, like the pointer and stuff. Oh geez, my nails are dirty, sorry. I would get smacked in the hands with it, and it didn't feel good. But it corrects your flipping, I guess. And it's got this bite handle marker. Like pretty much every trainer that is like decent has that on it, so it's not new. Does flip super nicely. Fans are amazing with it. Yeah. Sorry, I've been pretty much doing the same thing. I'm trying to work on choker fans so I can get them smoothly. Yeah. It's kind of weird, in my opinion. Aerial's different from what I'm used to, but I don't know why. But it just felt weird at first, like aerials, like Helix aerial, like that. I don't know what does that, but it felt different with aerials. But I think this is my favorite balisong I have and have ever had. I prefer it over the Glider Sahara. One downside though is I have the inked blade, and as you can see on the edges of the blade, it's getting, it's losing the coating because the blade tap, like blade rub, if you want to see it, like, my nails are disgusting looking, jeez. There's blade rub, if you can hear that. There's blade rub, so it's rubbing the black coating off, which kind of sucks, but whatever. I got this for like the price of a normal mako, or no, like $5 extra from a normal mako, but I don't care. Yeah, so I think the handles become a little less slippery if you get them anodized, but it's extra money, and I didn't really care to pay extra money. I like what the silver looks like personally. Not everyone does. Sorry, it's loud. People with trucks around here like to be douchebags and rev up their engines, and it's annoying. Whatever. Sometimes it's cool, but it's annoying usually when it's in a small street. But yeah, so that's my review on the Mako. I hope this helps. Just know they may change stuff, like the tolerances I'm assuming are probably better. Like that's probably why they changed it, or made it, what's it called, Zen pinned, but whatever. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, buy this or the Sahara, but I prefer this, honestly. So I recommend you buy a Mako. If you can find one of these secondhand, I've seen some go as low as like 50, 45, I think I saw one, but that was a beaten up one. If you can find them for that cheap, I would get one, because as long as you don't care what they look like, they flip really nice. Damn it. Yep. So buy a Mako, and have a good day. Subscribe, like the video, comment questions or whatever you want, really, I don't care. Subscribe to me on, or not subscribe, follow me on Instagram at AIDS Flips, just like my name, or my YouTube name, just with an underscore in between them. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time. Next video is probably going to be on the Zephyr by the Sphinx, Co, or whatever you want to call them. So stay tuned for that, because I have that coming in the mail on Friday, and I will explain how and everything when I make the video. Have a good day, and I'll see you later. Peace.